Hi, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Paddy and welcome to the You Revolution. Please feel free to comment on the videos and do subscribe to the channel. One of the things that's been really important to me over the last few days is the realization that as parents, we need to capture every moment of our children's lives as much as we possibly can, because these moments are fleeting. My sons are both adults now and they've moved out of home, one of them temporarily as he's gone off to university, and the other one seemingly permanently as he's got himself a job and his own home. And I still remember when they were born. I still remember the toddler years. I still remember the growing up years and the teenage years and all those times. And I have to say that we as a family have always captured the moments in film and in photography and so forth. As difficult as the phase might seem, like the screaming toddler tantrums, and they talk about the terrible twos and so forth. Well, let me tell you, every single phase of their lives is precious and beautiful for a different reason. Capture the moment. Remember these times. Keep a record of these things that are happening, because, you know, as loud as the house has been, there was always some sort of noise coming out of one of the boys' bedrooms, both of the bedrooms at the same time, PlayStation noises and loud music and guitars and whatever other instrument they were playing at the time, singing, talking, laughter. Whatever sound was coming out, we knew that one day the house would fall silent, and that time has happened. Capture every moment. Every moment is absolutely precious. And celebrate the fact that you have your children in the home there with you. And also remember that every single thing we do, we're making an investment in their lives. Their eyes are watching us as parents to see how life should be lived. It's a daunting task being a parent. Capture every moment. It's an absolutely beautiful time. I'll see you again soon. God bless. Goodbye.